Tired of waiting for your dream hair? Want instant volume and length? Welcome to Thanh An Hair. At Thanh An Hair, we offer a wide range of premium hair extensions to suit every need. From easy-to-use clip-ins for instant glam, to professional-grade tape hair for a seamless blend. Versatile bulk hair for various styling techniques. And durable weft hair for long-lasting volume, all from Thanh An Hair. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to achieve a stunning look with our best-selling clip-in extensions from Thanh An Hair. First, section your hair horizontally where you want to add volume. Gently open the clips and secure them firmly at the roots. Make sure they lie flat against your scalp. Release the top section of your natural hair to blend seamlessly. See the instant difference Thanh An Hair can make? Once your Thanh An Hair extensions are in, the styling possibilities are endless. Here's a quick and easy way to add some soft waves. Simply use a curling iron, taking small sections at a time. Remember to use heat protectant spray to keep your Thanh An Hair extensions looking their best. For professional stylists, our bulk hair from Thanh An Hair offers exceptional quality and versatility. The seamless application ensures a natural look and long-lasting results. Here, you can see the precise technique our experts use to achieve a flawless finish with Thanh An Hair products. To keep your Thanh An Hair extensions looking their best, proper care is essential. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner and avoid excessive heat. Brush your extensions gently with a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends. With the right care, your Thanh An Hair extensions will last longer and always look amazing. Ready to transform your look? Visit our website thanhanhair.com to explore our full range of hair extensions from Thanh An Hair and find the perfect match for you. Don't forget to follow Thanh An Hair on our social media channels for more inspiration and exclusive offers. Subscribe to the Thanh An Hair channel for more hair tutorials and styling tips. Thank you for watching. Unlock your hair potential with Thanh An Hair.